This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to iron dress pants. First, always check the care label on your pants to determine the correct iron temperature setting. Next, fill your iron with distilled water for optimal steam and make sure your ironing board is clean and ready. Turning the pants inside out helps protect the fabric, especially darker colors, from developing a shine. For very delicate materials, a pressing cloth adds an extra layer of protection. Now let's tackle the pockets and waistband. Start by pulling out the pockets and ironing them flat, working from the inside out to remove any wrinkles. Then, move to the waistband, pressing firmly around the button and zipper. If your pants have pleats, carefully align them and press them down. Remember to work in small, manageable sections to ensure every part is perfectly smooth. Next, we'll focus on the legs and that essential crease. Lay one pant leg flat on the board, carefully aligning the inseam and outseam. Iron the leg from the top down, but initially avoid pressing the crease. Once the leg is smooth, fold it precisely to create a sharp front and back crease, then press firmly. Repeat this exact process for the second pant leg, ensuring both creases are perfectly symmetrical. For the final touches, carefully inspect your dress pants for any remaining wrinkles or areas that might need a quick touch-up. Once they are perfectly smooth, immediately hang them on a good quality hanger to preserve their shape. Allow the pants to cool completely for about 10 to 15 minutes before wearing or storing them. For long-term care, consider storing your dress pants in a garment bag to keep them pristine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.